Welcome back, guys. Another thing you will do as a Twitter manager is direct messages. It's either you send one or you reply to some. So yeah, these are direct messages, and I've shown you how to actually send one. So you could send a direct message either as a shared post, but you could create a new message and you could choose who you want to send the message to. So you could choose to send to like another brand. So you could just type the username of the brand right here and send a message. So this is how to send message directly on here on X. So I could just look for a brand and try to send a message. So this brand cannot be messaged, and we have so much more like that. So we have all this. This is how you send messages. You reply, you engage with messages. So I could just say I, and I would be replied. So you could reply I. So this is my personal account, and once I check it, you'll see that the I comes in right here. So I would say I back. So when I say I back, it goes back to the X and you see I back. So you could do all these messages. You could send media, you could send GIF, you could send emojis and all that. So that's how to use direct messages. And you could use direct messages to promote. There used to be a concept called DM marketing where you use DMs to promote whatever you want to promote. But the bots that we used to do that has been stopped by X, and we don't have anything like that anymore. Well, I really wish it could be introduced to the premium subscription whereby you get to send bulk DMs. Yes, it's going to be very cool, whereby you can send a DM. Once someone's follow you, you could send an automated DM to them just to market one or two things. It used to be very effective, but we don't have that anymore actually. So DM is all about that. So you could message people could message you could reply messages and all that. You could interact with customers. So that is DM for you, and this is where you operate to use DMs, and you could search for whoever you want to DM and you could reply DMs and all that. So you could actually share some of your posts to people's DM. Yeah, is another way to market your post. So you could actually take a post and try to share to someone's DM. You could say share post through direct message. You'll see it right here, and you could share, you could add your comments, then share the post to someone. Then aside from that, you could actually copy the link to a post and come to someone's DM to share it. So this is one. So I'm going to paste this as well, and I'm going to have this sent. So that is the link to the post. And once I come here, I will get the message, and here we are. So you see the two messages just came in, and that is how to use direct messages to interact with customers, other brands, and influencers. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.